What's going on? Welcome to another mukbang. Okay, first of all, look at the food. Now I done already started it. Read. My bad, y'all. I started without y'all, but guess what? I had to like dive in and I got lost and I came back and I was like, oh shit. What about the guys? so, mm, it's so good, yo. So it's a brioche. No, it's not brioche. I don't know if it's like an artesian bread. Either way, it's these thick, beautiful slices of bread, and it is French toast, y'all. And it got like this lemon glaze on it, and like it had this dollop of like whipped cream. When I tell y'all this syrup is amazing, it's like not overpowering. It's like it I can't even talk. It helps you just enjoy every part of the bread. I feel like sometimes the syrups be so sweet, you know, and like it'll overpower like the taste of the whole experience, you know. Yo, and in the middle of the bread reminds me of like a tres leches cake. Now, not the taste necessarily, although that taste is banging too. It's busting. But this, it got like this light. It's like a lemon curd. Yeah, I'm getting like a lemon curd type of feel. You feel me? But it's not thick like a lemon curd. It's saucy. It's syrup. And then it's buttery. Oh my god. If you're in Austin, Texas, make your way down to the Oven Bird. Okay. This is delicious. Mm-hmm. I ain't even touched my eggs like that. Mm. You know how food gets you wanting to move? Yes, I want to move. Water. Normally I don't drink the cup without a straw, but it's cool. So I fucked around and I took a gummy. I mean, I didn't, yeah. Yeah, we fucked around. We took a gummy. Only a half a gummy because I microdosed, okay? But let me tell you, this gummy is gummying. Let me see if I have it. I might not have it with me. That sucks because if it's in the car, it's melting, bro. It's hot as hell out here today. Alright. We ain't got it. But it's cool. Anyway, these gummies, they got... Anyway, I be experimenting on CBD gummies from CBD shops, right? Because I don't live in California where it's legal, and I don't live in Nevada anymore. But when I lived there, it wasn't legal. Anyway, and I don't live in Colorado or anywhere else where it's legal. And so I gotta deal with what I gotta deal with, you know what I'm saying? I'm a Texas girl for now. either way. Yeah, I just, you know, I like to try CBDs that be having a little bit extra shit in it, like the Delta 9s, Delta 11. Anyway, and the edible that I took, yeah, it got me spacey. And it got me eating good too. Did I even smoke? I didn't even smoke, bro. I didn't even smoke, bro. It's all the edible. It's crazy. Now, I don't know how long ago I took the edible. I don't know. Look, it might have been an hour ago or so. I don't know. But once that thing kicks in, and normally it can kick in for like 30 to 45 minutes. Like once it's kicked in, you're great. That's why I like taking it. Yeah. So I don't know the history about this place. It's so good. I don't think I've ever had a French toast that was this delicious. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the eggs too, yo. Why is all of it good like this? Yo, let me tell y'all something. It is a time for us to protect our energy. Okay. Because let me tell you, I'll give you an example today. Yesterday, I told myself I'm not tending to my phone when it comes to nobody. I'm just focused on me. Okay? That's to family, that's to friends, that's to lover, that's to whoever, right? But what? Why my family member gonna blow up my phone like it's an emergency? I didn't answer him yesterday because I told y'all I'm not. So they called today. I'm like, what is going on? It must be an emergency. You blowing up my line, so let me answer it. So I answer it. And then they're like, I was just worried about you. What you worried about, honey? What you worried about? Nava is okay. Nava gonna be okay. Why you worrying yourself about me? Why you not in your business? Why you in mine? You gonna hurt your own self. You better watch out while you're ahead. You know what I'm saying? I don't be understanding. I had to tell that person. Look now. I be minding my business. I'm gonna answer the phone when I want to answer the phone. You can't tell me when to answer the phone and what you gonna do if I don't answer the phone when you want me to answer the phone. Listen, whatever is your business is your business. If that's how you want to carry on, then you carry on. But that don't stop me from doing what I need to do. So good. The experience here is really good, guys. I'm sitting outside. It's hot as hell. I'm under an umbrella though. It's still hot as hell. It could be hotter. It's probably in the 90s. That's what I feel like. Let me tell y'all something about this dirty chai tea, honey. This dirty chai tea latte, honey. Whew. First I got oat milk, right? And then I got chai tea. This shit is spicing like it's supposed to, right? But instead of the cow milk, we did oat milk. And we added chocolate ganache to it. And a little espresso, you know what I'm saying? This shit is like... It's a good marriage. It's a great marriage, actually. Oh, God. I love it. I'm gonna try and finish all this, y'all. In that last mukbang, I had so much food. I didn't even get to eat all of it. Like, I was just so full. Maybe it was the liquids. Maybe it was liquids. I felt like I was on pop. Them eggs is buttery as hell. I don't even know how they made them eggs. I ain't never had eggs like that. It was just so good and soft. And normally, I like my eggs scrambled hard, not soft. This is delicious, y'all. Let me just tell y'all, because I was trying to explain it to y'all earlier. This French toast, it's got a little bit of tres leches feels to it, right in the center. Like, it's not all the way cooked, but it's not bad. Like, it's not like I wanna gag, because I'm very sensitive when it comes to like textures and shit. So I'm telling y'all, for real, like, I ain't never have I ever had no goddamn French toast like this. I'm so full. It's crazy. I got one more piece left, bro. Anybody else like me? I like to eat the leaves. It's very mojito-esque. Mint does that to me. Damn, it's so nice out today. So today, I plan on going out into nature. I'm going to go hug a tree and sit by the water. Going to enjoy myself in nature today. I'm actually 15 minutes out from the water, thank God, because, you know, the drive. Excuse me. Yeah. Just do some spiritual connecting. But promoting CBD, because some people are against CBD and some people aren't. I've come to respect CBD. I'm a person who is a scientist, so you know, the more you try something over time, the more you get to experience like the benefits and things. if any. Okay, because if you don't like it, don't do it, right? Anyway. Yeah. So I have learned that you just gotta try different things that aren't gonna be harmful to your body. Because we don't do that stuff over here. And it's so interesting, you know? Because like last night, I'm enjoying myself at Torchy's. If you didn't see that mukbang, you should go watch it. I'm enjoying myself at Torchy's. And the bartender finds the need to randomly talk about his drug habits that he is not doing. He sounded very sad about it. And then he tried to act like he was together. But I could see all through him. He's struggling. He want to hit right now. The fact that he needed to talk about it will be enough. He itching, babe. He itching. Anyway, I don't know why he felt the need to tell me about how bad he wanted to hit. A blow or whatever the hell he wanted. I didn't let it disrupt my situation. I just listened a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I didn't realize somebody else was here listening. I'm just enjoying myself outside. It's so hot. So I haven't really been sociable. Like I just been wanting to keep to myself this weekend. And yeah. Just like involved with my own energy. Like I'm still sociable, don't get me wrong. Like when I'm out and about, I see people who want to talk. But if you don't want to talk, we ain't gotta talk, honey. I was there right next to you. Let you enjoy your whole silence. Because I'm about to enjoy mine. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta protect your energy. Sometimes. So good. So I've decided I'm gonna go find a dance class to get myself active in. Get this body moving and jiggling, you know what I'm saying? Get it stretched. It's time for some cardio. Sure is. Gotta make it happen. I'll keep y'all tuned in on the festivities of the dance. I love choreographed dance. So